Discoverers. Alyssa from the Discovery Science and Technology Centre here. This school holidays is all about blossom and bloom. So we're going to be celebrating spring with some experiments you can do outdoors, having a look at a bit of colour and light. Let's get started with an outdoor experiment today. Now this is a super simple experiment some of you might remember from our fascinating foods workshop. All you need is a bowl with a flat bottom, you need some warm water, and you need some lollies. The more food colouring, the better. You could use Skittles, you could use jelly beans. I'm using M&Ms. Now, we place our bowl on a flat surface. We add in our lollies. And what we want to do is spread those lollies out around the edge of our bowl. You can do some really interesting patterns with this. Get creative, see what sort of pictures or colours you can get happening in your bowl. The more colours, the better, I think. But have a go and spend some time creating a fun pattern. I think the trickiest part is getting them to stay where you put them. Let's see how we go. Now, once you've got your lollies spread out around your bowl, we're going to add some warm water and see what happens. Here we go. We're going to put the warm water right in the very center of our bowl and let it spread to the outside. You just need enough to cover the whole base of the bowl. And let's see. Watching carefully. Try not to bump it. And now, watch what happens. Are you starting to see the colours? We can see the colours are seeping out of our lollies. They're starting to spread around and we can actually watch the patterns in the water. Now, water is usually clear, really hard to see, but once we add all these different colours, we get to watch the swirls and patterns that water creates as it moves around our bowl. If you give it a little bit of time, you might see some really awesome patterns starting to appear. You might see some of my patterns. I'm going to see if I can give you a little bit more of a close-up of what happened in my bowl. So what happened with your lollies? Did you get lots of bright colours? Did you get only a few? Well, there's lots of things that can change the colour pattern in our water. Some lollies are specially made so that the colour doesn't leak out all over your fingers. Some of them just don't have quite as much colouring in the food. So have a go, try a few different experiments and see what happens with your lollies when you add that warm water and we start to see the water moving around. Thanks for joining us for this Blossom and Bloom School Holidays. Bye!